I'm going to show you how to fix a flat tire on a mountain bike. You'll need your plastic tire levers, a new inner tube, and a bike pump. I've got a GT Zascar and I've got a slow leak on my front tire, so the first step is to remove the wheel from the bike. You do that by unhooking the V-brakes up top and then unscrewing the quick release axle to remove the wheel from the bike. I don't have a leak on my rear wheel, but I'm going to show you how to do that, how to remove that wheel from the bike. You put the bike upside down like so, remove the V-brakes, unhook those, and then remove the quick release axle. The only complexity is this wheel has gears on it, and you have to maneuver them around the chain, which can be complicated. One tip is to have the gears at the highest gears, so it'll be easier to do that. The chain will be on one side. I'm now taking my plastic tire levers, and I'm using them to pry off the rubber tire from the metal wheel. I'm going to need two levers. The first lever is to simply pry off one gap in between the rubber and the metal, and then I'm using the second lever to remove the tire from the wheel. Those tire levers have hooks that you can attach to the spokes. I don't like doing that because it might make the wheel untrue. Now I'm removing the old inner tube, which has a hole in it. So you do that by unscrewing it and then pulling it out. It's a good idea to inspect the old inner tube and the inside of the tire to try to identify where is the hole and what was causing it. Is there a pebble in there? Was there a piece of metal? Is there one hole? Is there two holes? Maybe the inner tube was ripped. There might be a snake bite where the wheel was inflated and then the rim just put two holes right into the inner tube. So try to identify what happened. Then reattach the rubber tire back on the wheel. Make sure that it's spinning in the right direction. The rubber tire will actually have an arrow indicating the direction of spin, so make sure to be attentive to that. I'm now putting back the new inner tube in between the rubber tire and the metal wheel. The new inner tube is inflated, so you don't want it to. It'll be easier to do it that way. Just make sure that it won't get pinched once you reattach the rubber tire to the metal wheel. Then you take your two plastic tire levers and reattach the rubber tire onto the metal wheel like so, and inflate the tire with your bike pump. On the rubber tire, there'll be an indication on the range of tire pressure that you should be targeting, how much PSI, pounds per square inch, it should be. So make sure you can target that. If you don't have a bike pump with a meter on it, you'll know from feeling the tire. Now I'm reattaching the wheels. I've got the bike upside down on the ground. I'm putting back the wheels in the right position, reattaching the quick release axles, and then reattaching the V-brakes by pinching them and putting the brake cable back in place. I've got an old bike. It's a 1998 GT Zascar. I love this bike. It's 22 years old. I love it, and I just haven't had to replace an inner tube in a long time, but I've had to do it today, so I wanted to show you. If you got any tips or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Please put any tips or comments in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other mountain biking videos on my mountain biking playlist, and I've got other action videos as well and how-to videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.